So, here we are in beautiful Punta, Mexico, and we're filming a new Dr. Mabo video. My name is Dr. Mabo, and today's video gonna be about swimming with the sharks. Actually, I'm just kidding. It's not gonna be sharks. We're gonna be doing a house tour. As a matter of fact, it's gonna be our home. And so after we enjoy this little swim, we're gonna go and have a look at Casa Pacifico. Hello, my friends. Dr. Mabo is back in Canada here at our chateau. And I really hope you enjoy the video about this Mexico house tour. Like I mentioned in the description, this channel has different topics and feature different themes and different videos about anything what comes to my mind. So this was about a house tour. The previous video had a little comedy clip in it. The first video was about part of the Camino de Santiago, which I walked in Germany. Who knows what the next video will be all about? It's up in the stars. Okay? So, if you enjoyed this video and you are considering spending time in Mexico, perhaps in Punta de Mita, my house is available. In the description below, you will see the contact information, how to get in touch with me or with the property management. As you've seen in the video, there's 2 bedrooms available with 2 beds each. I believe we can manage to add an additional bed for a family of 5 or 2 couples. 2 couples, 1 child. Whatever comes to mind, Punta de Mita is a very laid-back, relaxed, small fishing village, but everything is available from there. You can eat very simply on the taco stands, the street stands, different types of foods. You can go fine dining from sushis to gourmet steak dinner, wine bars. Everything is right there in Punta de Mita. If you're a beginner serving, Punta de Mita is known for beginner level serving. If you're a professional server, Sayulita is not too far away. Anything in the neighborhood can be reached easily by the local bus. Ubers or taxis are also available. Okay? So, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumb up. Perhaps consider subscribing to the channel. It will really help me to create more content. And if you are interested in what I do professionally, I'm an abstract artist. You can also sign up for my other YouTube channel just about abstract art. Okay? Again, the link is in this description. So, in the meantime, till we see each other again, be nice to each other. This world is so beautiful. I don't understand why humankind can't live in peace with each other. Let's all try our best. Okay? Take it easy. See you soon. Bye-bye.